Hello Moneymakers, take a look at this channel. They have over 200,000 subscribers, and all they do is review and suggest clothes for women. As per Social Blade, they are making over $20,000 per month. The best part is you can add Amazon affiliate link in the description of your video, so if your audience purchased the product with that link, you will get good commission through Amazon affiliate program. Now you must be wondering, how can I create a faceless clothing channel?
Obviously,
as the existing ones are showing their face. Today, with the help of AI, you can create a successful clothing review channel without showing your face. I will show you everything in detail in this video. This niche is not shared by anyone on YouTube except AI Maskman. I am first channel on YouTube who's actually experimenting new ideas and sharing niches that have no competition at all. You can create topics of your choice such as men's clothing, kids clothing, or clothing for plus size people. Sky is the limit here. You will be paid by YouTube for ads, and once your audience purchase the product through your link, you will be paid commission by Amazon affiliate program. Trust me guys, if you work right and put up good content, you will really get good results. Once your channel started growing, you can create your own clothing brand and promote it on your channel as well. So in this video, I will teach you how to find topics, write scripts, create voiceover, and generate faceless clothing review videos. Take a glass of lemonade and settle down as I show you each step in detail. Step 1. Finding a video topic. Now the first question is how we will find trending topics for our YouTube, which is relevant to our audience. Suppose you need to be aware about current trends, festivals, seasons, and on the basis of this, you can choose your video, or else you can also get topic ideas from the other channel, which is already popular in this niche. Such as this one, this channel posted 96 videos and have 80K subscribers. Then look at this channel posting videos on men's clothing and have 530K subscribers. You will find many channels which are focused on clothing review videos, so find them, follow them, and get idea from there. Try and pick topics that are already working on most of the channel. I am sure those will work for you as well. Alright, so currently it's summer season, so let's create a review video of 5 best summer dresses for women. Before that, I will open incognito mode in YouTube and type summer outfit. So, as we can see, YouTube provides us some options which everyone are searching currently for this keyword. Then choose the right keywords and pick the trending video topic. Alright, now the next step is finding dresses. For this, open Amazon and search for the summer dresses or whatever you are going to create a video. So choose the dresses which have a good review and high rating, and choose those dresses which are actually amazing and people will definitely purchase from your link. So here I will choose these 5 dresses for the reference video. Now let's move to the next step. Step 3, writing a video script. In this niche, I will suggest writing your own script and giving your honest review, so this will build trust among your audience. Or if you are a beginner and don't have any idea of writing the script, you can take help of AI, such as ChatGPT or Google Gemini. But before that, open Google Docs and enter all the details of each and every dress. Just copy the details from the Amazon page and paste it here. Also copy the detailed and positive review of the product. So it will help AI to write an accurate script for your video. One by one, copy all the details of each and every image and paste it in Google Docs. Now open Gemini or ChatGPT and ask, I'm going to create an Amazon clothes review YouTube video. So are you ready to help me to write the script for my video? So here Gemini provides some tips and tricks which you can use on your video. All right, now enter this prompt. I'm going to provide you with all the details of each product. Provide me a perfect video script. Make sure to write the script in simple English. The title of my video is 5 Best Summer Outfits You Must Try. Here's the product info and paste the complete information from Google Docs. And as a result, Gemini provides a script in just a few seconds. But Gemini has not provided script for the faceless channel. So let's ask Gemini, I'm going to create a faceless video with just a product image, so provide a script according to that. Now it is perfect. Alright, now let's move to the next step.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Step 4. Edit the images. To create a video, we need so many images of the product which we are going to review. So all we need to do is go to the Amazon page and download all the product images. But the problem, it's just only a few images, and sometimes you may have to face copyright issues by using Amazon images. So don't worry, I have a perfect solution for this. You can swap the face and change the background of these images. Let me show you how. Open iFoto.ai. In this tool, there are so many features available which you can use for image editing, such as AI fashion model, background changer, color changer, face swap, of many more. Log in with your account and start with a free trial. Now upload the product image and click on face swap. You can use their model to swap the face, or you can also upload your own image also. So as of now, I will select one of these. Let's go for this. Amazing, right? The face of this model has completely changed, and the quality of the image has also improved. So let's download this. You can also change the color of the dress using this tool. Just select the dress part. Choose the color, and that's it. This is how you can create many images with different colors. However, you can also change background with the AI photo shoot feature. But before that, let's remove the background from this photo. Now choose one of these backgrounds for your image and hit generate. You can also upload your own background image if you want. So this way, you can generate so many images with this tool. You can also take images from Amazon review as well, and then you can swap their face in iFoto.ai. If you take images from reviews section and show the actual result, people will relate more, and you can build trust among your audience as well. If you are using review images, then make sure to swap the face and change the background. You might not get copyright strike if you use product image, as the seller will be getting free promotion. However, there is a chance of copyright issue in the review images. Hence, I recommend to edit them before using it. And by swapping the model face, you do not get any copyright issue. Just like image, you can also swap face from product review videos and use it for your review video. If you want another tutorial in this niche, comment more videos.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
All right, now let's jump to the last and final step. Step 5, create a video. To create a video, I will use CapCut Online Editor, because in this tool we can add avatar and voiceover for free. So we do not have to generate these two things from other sites. All right, open your browser and search for the CapCut Online Editor. Click on Try for Free. Go to the Element section and select AI character from the left side. There, you will find plenty of options to choose, so choose which suits your video. I will select Julia for my video. Add this character into the timeline. After that, press on AI character and select frame for avatar. Then add your script into this box. You can add up to 1,000 character at one time, so you have to follow this process again and again till your last line of your script. Now let's go back to the Gemini. Copy the script and paste it here. Then select the voice from the available option. I will choose energetic female voice for my video. Now hit on apply. And there it is. Our avatar video is ready.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about summer style on a budget. I found 5 amazing outfit options on Amazon.
Amazing, right? Now to make your video more professional, add studio background image in your video. For this, search cloth studio in the search bar. And here you will find number of images. Alternatively, you can also take image from Google too. Download the image and upload it in CapCut. Now drag the image and add it into the timeline. Move the avatar layer into upper side like this. All right, now copy both layer and paste it here. Then go back to the Gemini and copy the remaining script and enter the script into the text box. Follow the process till your video will be completed. All right, you can also add stock footage to the video. Just search related keyword, choose the video, and add it in your video, just like this. All right, now, one by one, upload the product images into CapCut. After that, drag the image and add it into the upper layer when you're discussing about the product or the outfit. Now set the image in one side of the video like this, and then add animation to look more attractive. This way, one by one, add all the images and don't forget to add animation into all the images, so your video will look much more engaging. You can also add text between the video. Choose any of the template and add it. Now, let's add subtitles. For this, click on Captions, choose Auto Captions, select Language and hit on Create. After that, select Style from the available option. Also add animation into the subtitle. At last, add slow background music. Audio is also available in CapCut, but for the copyright issues, let's go to the YouTube audio library. Choose one of the music and download it, then upload it into the CapCut. Drag the music and add it into Timeline. Set the volume, and that's it. Your product review video is ready to be uploaded. Click on Export and export it in your computer.
Since you have watched our video till the end, and if you want to support us, you can click on Join button to become our member and avail exclusive member benefits.
Now let's have a look to our video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about summer style on a budget. I found 5 amazing outfit options on Amazon that are perfect for the hot weather, all without breaking the bank. Whether you're chilling at the beach, grabbing brunch with friends, or going on a summer date night, we've got you covered. So grab a cold drink, get comfy, and let's jump into these summer looks. Outfit 1. Flowy and flattering midi dress. First up, we have this breezy and beautiful floral midi dress from New Shows. It comes in a variety of colors and patterns, offering something for everyone. This dress is made from a soft and stretchy material that will keep you cool on hot days. It has a flattering aligned silhouette that falls to the knee and features a cute V-neck and short sleeves. This dress boasts 2 handy side pockets, a perfect detail for keeping your essentials close by. Next up, we have this adorable romper from Pretty Garden. Rompers are a one-piece outfit that's perfect for throwing on and looking instantly put together. This one has a cute ruffle hem and a tie waist detail that adds a touch of femininity.